Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue. Today we are going to do the topic of section B, that is writing part. In this we have describe an image. Okay, so décris une image, décris quelqu'un, to describe an image or someone. So when we describe whatever we are using for describing an image of a person, we can use it for describing someone. Okay. If we ask you to describe some personality or some person, we can use that whatever we are using for describing an image in context of the person. Okay, if I say describe your friend, so you can describe or use all these sentences. Fine, let's see. Now if you are describing someone, the person can be a man, woman, garçon, boy, child. Okay, so we can say, c'est un homme, c'est une femme, c'est un garçon, c'est une fille, c'est un enfant. This is a man, this is a woman, this is a boy, this is a girl, and this is a child over here, child. Okay, in this I am using the singular forms. We are describing one person. If you are describing a group of person or a image of a group of people are there, a person are there, then you can make the sentence and the adjectives over here in the plural form. Okay, now if the person is young or old, we can say il, elle est jeune. This is young, jeune, young. Wir, wij, old for the masculine and for the feminine. Then we can say about the physical feature or physical appearance of a person. That is, a person is tall, big, tall, small, fat, thin, beautiful, handsome. So we can say il or elle est grand, grande, petit, petit, gras, grosse, mince, mince, beau, belle. Okay, beau with the il, belle for the l. Fine, we have to make the adjectives feminine if we are using l. Then what is the character of a person? Like, he is very funny, he is very smiling, smiley person, or the person in the picture, if you find the person very happy, we can use these things, these adjectives. Il, elle est amusant, amusante, souriant, souriante, content, content, triste, heureuse, heureuse. Okay, so whether the person is happy, sad, for the sad we can use triste, smiling, souriant. Okay, like this we can use it. If a person is serious, we can use sérieux, S-E-R-I-E-U-X, S-E-R-I-E-U-S-E. Okay, now about the face, visage, or visage, it's face, how the face is. So how will you say? Il, elle a un visage oval, 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 rond, round, carré, square, intéressant, interesting, souriant, smiling. Now since visage is in the masculine form, we are using all the adjectives in the masculine form. Okay, just remember it. Whatever be the noun over here, accordingly the adjective will be used. Fine, it doesn't matter if it's il or l over here. If it's noun, so adjectives will be in the masculine form and it will come after noun, visage, after visage. Okay, then il, elle are les cheveux. Cheveux are here, so long, court, short, red, straight, frisé, curly, bouclé, curly again. These are small curls, very very small curls, and these are big curls we have. Then blonde, blonde, noir, black, brun, brown. So here can be long, short, straight, curly, blonde, black, brown, or any other color is there. Okay, so colors, as we all know, comes after the noun. We write after the noun, and these all will also will be written after the noun. Okay, like this: L-A, le shower. Since the shower is in the plural form, so the article is in the plural form, and all the adjectives are in colors are in the plural form. Remember this. Then we can also write it like this: Ses cheveux sont longs or noirs. His or her hair are long or black. Okay, this way also we can write. Now il est chauve. When somebody is not having hair, somebody is bald, then we use chauve. Then for the eyes, il a les petits grands yeux. Petit et grand will come before yeux. Yeux is when we are talking about two eyes. Okay, plural form. One is eye, two are yeux. Since it's plural form, so les and the adjectives are in the plural form. Les petits yeux, les grands yeux. Then if the colors are there, we can write it like this: Il a les yeux gris, noir, bleu, vert. Gray, black, blue, green. Okay, and since the ear is plural form, so colors are also in the plural form. Okay, so we can write anyway. We can say, suppose it's small black eyes, so we can write il or elle are les petits yeux noirs. So small is also written and black is also written. So petit will come before easier and noir will be written after zia. Okay. Now the next is about nose. Il or elle a a long, grand, petit nez. Nez is masculine. Will be there. And nez, masculine singular. Now, so the adjectives will be in the masculine singular form. Okay, long, grand, petit. Long, big and small. Then il, elle a nez plat or pointu. He or she has a flat or pointed nose. So over here plat and pointu will come after nez. Okay. Then in some of the pictures or in some person are having a beard or mustache, so we can write il a une barbe is beard, une moustache is mustache. Okay, remember it. Then in some of the people, when you describe, they wear spectacles, and in the image also you can find, so you can write il or elle porte is to wear, they lunette spectacles. Okay, specs we say. So porte for wear, he or she wear specs in the plural form, so they lunette. Okay, this is the way we describe an image or someone. Now let's see an example. Décrivez l'image ci-des yeux à l'aide d'expression donnée. With the given expression, we have to describe the given image. Now, what are the clues we are given? Ovale, jeune, beau, petits yeux verts, cheveux bruns, souriant. Okay, these all we will use all these expressions and describe this image. Now, when an image is there, we can write dans cette image, in this image. Okay, il y a un jeune homme, there is a young man. Il y a un jeune homme, we have used jeune, that was given. Okay, Beau was given. Il est beau. Il est souriant. Il a un visage ovale. Okay. Il a les petits yeux verts. This was given, so we have used it like this. Il a les cheveux bruns. And the last, he was wearing in the image you can see the person was wearing lunettes, so we can write il porte des lunettes. Okay, so see, we have used all the clues over there which were given. Jeune, beau, souriant, we were given ovale, so we have used visage ovale. Petits yeux verts, so we have used it. Cheveux bruns, and this was not given, but from the image we have written it. Now you can see, for there is we have written il y a. You can also say c'est un jeune homme. C'est un jeune homme. Okay, or il y a un jeune homme. There is a young man. So the first line for the image description you can use dans cette image il y a un jeune homme. Okay, this will be the starting of your answer. Dans cette image il y a. Then whatever is there, or whatever person is there, you can write it. Now with the normal descriptions, then like we have adjective over here, we say using être, remember it, and over here we are using avoir. And with the nouns, we are using the articles. So don't skip the articles. Remember it. You have to write the articles with all the nouns. Over here. Les with the for this, Chevrolet and the lunette. Okay, don't skip the articles or forget the articles. Okay, now what you have to do, you write all the if you can write all the from the starting all the sentences in your copy. Then do this example. You can't make the picture, but write the clues, write the question and the clues and this description in your copy. Okay, that's all for today. Bonne journée.